What's the meaning of convict? Convict. Convict.
Convict. Convict. To convict means to find someone guilty of a crime in a court of law. When someone is convicted, they may face penalties such as fines, imprisonment, or even the death penalty, depending on the severity of the crime. The conviction may also lead to a criminal record, which can impact their future opportunities. In some cases, a conviction can also impact an individual's civil rights, such as the right to vote or own a firearm. Overall, a conviction has serious legal and personal consequences for the individual who has been found guilty.